I'm going to start PDF automation activities. So there are a couple of PDF activities which is available through that PDF activities, and we will see how we are going to automate particular process. Okay, and before getting into PDF automation, so if you go to activity panel, if you type PDF, and most of them know, you will not get these activities. Okay, go to your manage packages. Okay, manage packages and click on all packages, and there if you type PDF, and you will get this UiPath PDF dot activities, and click on install and click on save. Once you click on save, and you will get all these activities. Okay, so now we are going to check all the activities one by one, how these activities are performing. Okay, and first so I'm going to use this particular activity, export PDF page as image. Okay, so let's say you have a PDF file, and you want to convert that each page PDF page as a image. Okay, that is your uh, process. Okay, so in that case we can use this export PDF page as image. Okay, I'm going to create a new sequence for that, and export PDF page as image. Okay, click on create. Now the new sequence, it has been created. Now drag and drop export PDF page as image. So after drag and drop this particular activity, you see it's asking one input, and also it's producing one output. Okay, and export PDF page as image, and here you can now provide your file name. Okay, the entire file name, and also you can provide your output file name. Okay, and so let me go back to my project panel. So here there are a lot of PDFs available, which I am having this sample PDF file with me, and just let me open any one of that, text and image. Okay, let's say this PDF file. Okay, so this is the PDF file. It contains only one page. Okay, I'll go with some multiple page, or one second, let me go here. This is a scanned copy, and close it, and one second, the image. Okay, so I will take this page PDF file, and it contains 18 page. Okay, so and there is a one page, no, it comes with the image and all. Okay, let's say I want this second page as a image. Okay, and this is this PDF file, right? And click here and go and select your PDF file. That is this one. Okay, I selected, and then I want to save it somewhere, right? So then I can give path like here somewhere else. Okay, so I can go here, and inside the sample PDF I'm going to give output. Okay, output image. Okay, this sample PDF output image. Okay, PNG, and so here then after that the page number it's asking, right, which page you want to convert it as a image. Then I am going to provide page number 2. Okay, let's see, just go to debug and step into, now it's done. Okay, now go here in this page, you see there is a output image PNG, and open it. See your PDF file, it got converted as a image. Okay, that specific page. Okay, so this is how we need to convert a particular page from a PDF file as an image.